you're thinking and thinking, what domain should I use for my business? What should I call my business? What should represent my business online? And you're not really there, and you're still figuring around, and you're coming up with all sorts of names and all of a sudden they're not available, or they're available but you can't make a choice. Welcome back. You're watching Acieroamsterdam. Today I'm back again, and today I'm here to help you figure out how to choose the right domain for your business or services, for your website. It's so simple. You're offering a service and you want to have a representation. What do you want your business to be called? Most of you, depending on what your branding is all about. If you're a personal brand, you will get so many people based on your brand and your personal brand, and you're calling yourself that name, it's better to go out there and secure your name as your domain name, because then people know you by that personal brand. But if you're not a personal brand and you don't want to be associated as a personal brand, and you only focused on that website, and you also only focused on the SEO, that search optimization that Google may bring you and rank you, then it's better to use the name of the service or product you're going to sell, because this will be in the name of the domain, so that will be coming back more frequently. The other thing is, if your local business, what I also suggest, because sometimes all these domains are already taken, you don't know what to do, and the service you're offering is not there, or your personal brand, but you're like, I offer services locally, I'm not so sure, it's better then to add the city in your domain name. The city where you're located or where you're providing services should be in your name, because then when people are in that city and they are searching for services in that city, because they'll type in that service and they'll type in the city, your website is most likely to come up in all websites in that city. So if you're a local business, it's usually also easier to get the city of the place where you are into your domain name, because then not only you're getting maybe your personal brand out there, but you're also like giving authority in that location that you're providing that service in that location, because people see the name of the location in the domain name. And for other people who are like still not figuring it out, and they're like, okay, all the domain names are sold out, like this name and this name and this name, it's not a bad idea to get a long domain name, because I always advise people to get short domain names. But most of the time people buy these short domain names and pack them, and they want to resell them for a very, very, very high price. I recommend not to buy these domains from anyone. Just get any domain, although it's long. Just make sure that your name or personal brand is in your domain, because most of you come up with all these nice names and all these things, what you want to call your business and branding, but in the long run, most of them hurt your business. They don't work in favor of you or your business. So you end up losing clients you should have got easily by just choosing a good domain name, which is easier and also better for you to get more clients, and also do not so much SEO, and also save you on advertising. So I hope I've given you enough tips and tricks on how to choose your domain name for your business. And if you're new here, thanks for watching. Returning subscriber, thanks for the support. Don't forget to subscribe or comment, like this video, and love you loads. See you in the next video, and bye.